So the first step to cash out, to claim your NFT, first step, you have to download a different browser, which is called Kiwi browser. So type Kiwi browser. That's where we're gonna be able to do the so install the Kiwi browser to your smartphone. After installing it, go ahead and open it. You can see after opening it, please go on the search button and search immediately what you call Chrome Web Store, right? Chrome Web Store. Yes, I'm under Kiwi browser. Don't use Chrome, don't use any other browser but Kiwi browser. So from there, you click on Chrome Web Store. Then from there, you are going to search for Metamask extensions. The Metamask app will not work, yes, with Sundex. So you use to Metamask extension, Metamask, right? So I come here, you can see. Then the moment Metamask comes, this is Metamask, you can see it. This is Metamask. Yeah, so you come and there it is. Then after clicking on it, please add it to your extension. Click on add extension, that button up here. Thank you. So then you add it there. The moment you see remove from Chrome, it means it has been added. So wait a minute, it's going to open up so that you can be able to log in your Metamask. So two options here. If you have an existing Metamask wallet, you can log in here with the 12 keywords, or you can create a new one. Many people don't have, so you create a new wallet. Yes, so that's the step you're going into. You click create, then accept terms. Here you can see I agree. So here I come, I create my password. After creating the password, then you just create the wallet. You see. So you need to secure your wallet immediately. So you click secure my wallet, or you can do it later. So the moment you click on secure your wallet, they were gonna give you the 12 keywords that you have to write privately. Yes, and I'm gonna show them to you here because that's my private wallet. Is the recovery phase you have to note it down somewhere. So make sure you have written the key to confirm the missing words which are written down. Please fill them again. So after filling the keywords, you have opened up the your Metamask wallet. As you can see it here, it's fully open. It's installed as an extension. You can see it is there on my Kiwi browser. So now I have it there. So after doing that, so you have to do two more things here. Open up a new tab here. Then you go to your Sundex back office, Sundex Energy back office, and log in where you find your NFT. So you log into your Sundex back office. You know what to do. So you can see now my back office is opened here. So the moment you open up your back office, because you remember we are using the same Kiwi browser, not Chrome, Kiwi browser. So from there, just go and click on connect. What you're seeing, connect here. Yes, it will pick your Metamask. The moment it picks connect, you come and click on this icon for Metamask. Yes. So you can see the blockchain of Sundex will try to connect with Metamask. You can see I click on connect. Now the two platforms are linked together, and to prove that, you see it from here down here. You see. But now do something here. You have to make sure that it's in Binance Smart Chain because our NFTs are on Binance Smart Chain. So click here to make sure it moves from Ethereum. It goes to Binance Smart Chain. You can see. You click switch the network immediately. You go to your Metamask. There will be a prompting to switch the network. As you can see, if it's taking long, you reload it. You can see it's saying now approve, so you can add the Binance Smart Chain to your Metamask. That prompting comes, you see it there. So you're gonna see it here changing from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain network. To confirm that your MetaMask is under Binance Smart Chain network, click under the account here. You'll be able to see that down here is under BNB. You can see, yes. And you need to copy your BNB receiving wallet here so that you can be in position to receive to put some gas fee, which is like $1. So you're gonna copy this wallet. It will be the same wallet you are seeing here. So we are clicking here and copy that wallet and send like $1 to facilitate the gas fee to move your NFT from Sundex to your MetaMask. So you're gonna see a wallet like don't send on this one, and this is for my personal account, but this is what you're going to copy and to talk to your Binance and send at least $1 worth of BNB to this wallet. Now this is inside my Binance account. Just go under wallets here to initiate the withdrawal. You see I have some BNB here that I want to withdraw, so I click on it via crypto network. You can see I come and paste the address here. If you have your Binance Smart Chain network, because they're showing you all networks, so just go and select the BNB network here so that you can get the receiving wallet, because this one may be for Ethereum, you know. So let's go and select, click on this one, click on this section. I click there, and then you come to the receiving network there. You click receive, then copy this address. After copy to your Binance and paste it there, it will show you that it's BIP20 network, and send just $1. Just $1. Let me see. You send like this about $2, like literally $1. You see. So I'll come and send it there. Send it there. Just $1. Then after I withdraw it. So I've withdrawn to my MetaMask. So you can see that my money is there, it's reading. You can see it's there. The moment you have like at least $1 loaded in your MetaMask, then we can now do the dimming of the NFT. Go back to your Sandbox back office. Make sure you reload it so that that same figure of $1 can lead here as your account balance. I will just reload it here. You can see if I come and click down here that they're recognizing it. You can see. So the moment I have my $1 in my MetaMask and Sundex has connected with everything, then I can go now straight to where there is my NFT. You see this section called my NFT. Under my NFT, which I paid for, you can see I have a $800 NFT that I'm going to redeem. So after that, click claim. The moment you click claim, you are going to go straight back to your MetaMask so that you can be able to receive. So if I load here, there will be prompting for me to receive. Okay, let me see. So you can see the prompting have come. I'm receiving the transaction request. Then click confirm. Then it will go into pending. So poof, my NFT is alive. You can see it's right here. My $800 NFT. So that's how we redeem our NFT. So if you go back, I can send to OpenSea. I can do anything which I want with it. But if I go back to my Sundex back office, you can see I cannot redeem it anymore because it's not stackable, or I can just burn it. So that's how we cash out our NFT. Thank you.